cars were exclusively a mode of transportation, with few features beyond style, comfort, and quality of the engine. While these things are still important today, technology has also advanced, and it would be nice to align your car with your technological life, regardless of how old your car is. High-road heavy-duty car clothes hangers. A wrinkle-free travel accessory that fits sedans, trucks, vans, and SUVs, perfect for college students, moving, camping, dry cleaning runs, and road trips. The high-road car clothes bar expands to fit most vehicles. Made for big loads and long hauls, the adjustable telescopic bar and end hangers are constructed of rust-resistant, powder-coated steel, enabling the high-road car clothes bar to hold 30 pounds of weight even when fully extended. Enovoe car window shade. Do you want your child exposed to the sun's heat? Mesh fabric design on our car's sunshade is guaranteed to provide protection from the sun's glare and heat. The car window sunshade blocks over 97% of harmful UV rays. This can protect your baby and passengers from skin irritation and bright sunlight. The car sunshades will additionally help keep your car cooler. SnowOFF Windshield Snow Ice Cover. Custom made with windproof webbing straps easily attached to your wheels for secure fit. Cheap elastic straps will quickly stretch and break, no paint scratching hood magnets. Plus, SnowOFF has additional anti-theft internal suction cups plus side wings for a smooth fit every time. Less chance of frost and ice buildup under the cover. SnowOFF gives you a custom fit every time. ComfiLife Premium Comfort Seat Cushion. Ergonomically designed, provides support and comfort while reducing pressure on the tailbone with the U-shaped cutout and promotes healthy posture. Supports recovery for lower back problems, helps with most sitting pains due to sciatica, herniated discs, tailbone injuries, pregnancy, hip pain, and hemorrhoids. Armorall Custom Accessories. Armorall all-season rubber floor mats protect your vehicle's interior. Heavy-duty rubber with deep tread patterns protects your vehicle from rain, snow, and mud. Carpet Claw anti-slip cleats keep your floor mats in place. Fits cars, trucks, and SUVs. Protect your vehicle interior with the brand you can trust. Heavy-duty rubber construction delivers full protection from the elements, shielding your floor from water, snow, and mud. High-road StashAway car trash can. An undercover leak and waterproof car garbage bin, leak-proof car trash bag attaches to the center console or headrest with durable reinforced straps that keep wet and dry trash covered and contained. Stashes car trash off the seat and floor, out of sight and within easy reach. High-road designed the original stuff-top rubber lid to keep compact garbage bag covered even while filling. FREDYSU car visor tissue holder. Classic and compact design, this car tissue holder keeps your car more organized and save the space for your car. The clip will be held on tightly everywhere, and the tissue case will not be dropped down. Much easier and safer than putting your tissue box in the car seat. Make your car look more neat and tidy. Nulaxy wireless in-car Bluetooth FM transmitter. Nulaxy KM18 Bluetooth FM transmitter has a 1.44-inch screen for better displaying information like phone calls, FM channels, music, car battery voltage, etc. The ideal screen size to assist you in driving safe without disturbances. The rotatable gooseneck of the wireless radio adapter can provide you with an adjustable viewing angle and optimal viewing comfort of LCD display screen. Arcturus military wool blanket. Loom woven and hemmed on all sides with matching lock stitching, our blanket looks right at home in the woods or on your couch. Wool is a natural fire retardant material. Our blankets are never treated with any additional flame retardant chemicals, making them safe for you and your family. Saucemoto Dip Clip. The Saucemoto is the solution for the age-old problem of creating a mess in your car, or worse, sauceless food. Stop dipping irresponsibly. Practice safe sauce with the Saucemoto Dip Clip. The Saucemoto fits vents of all shapes and sizes. Saucemoto utilizes the most universal mount available to secure it to your car's air vent.